We're headed to day 2 for FinCon. About to go back to the main stage where they about to do the main presentation. Follow us along.
Whatever ones that are resonating with you. It's mainly trying to give financial advice to people that some stuff that you've learned that you want 20-somethings to learn about. So that's what we're really driving towards. And then also, what are financial topics that 20-somethings care about? Do you know? Or what should they care about? And everything I thought for this is like student loan debt, right? So that's what they all are they all caring about, but what should they care about? What are they missing about? So, and if you have any money hacks that are underrated that you want to share,
interview with some media company about finance topics that every 20-something-year-old should know. They said that they didn't really get anything about trust or credit, so I just gave them some insight on that.
This is the one that you did, and you have to like fill in your information and all that stuff. So you have to put in like the website you're going to use, demographics.
Yeah, you want to go?
That's like the first.
You want to go shake his hand?
Huh?
You want to go shake his hand?
Somebody, did you try to shake my hand?
Maybe at one point, I don't know.
Oh, my
Did you get it on tape?
Yeah.
Be hanging. Imagine I was just still here. Like.
Yeah, I was like, dang.
I didn't see it.
It's fine. It's all good. You got that?
Oh, yeah. Okay,
That's cool. And you might, if you've done it already, you probably won't let you do it twice.
I know it was but I didn't know it was hard.
Either way, we have your details, so we'll reach out to you once we have it. Make sure you. Yeah, do it. Any other questions or all good?
My one question.
We had a pro networking here, which was like speed dating.
I did go there.
We did so nice. It was intense.
I didn't do it, right? I just want to sit down.
Oh yeah, you gotta like bounce. You gotta book and then like bounce around.
But I did all that yesterday. So it wasn't really a purpose for me to do that. So. Maybe you were the one that was reaching out to me on
Diana.
somebody did. But I ghosted.
It probably was Devin.
I think I know of you, but maybe I don't. I think I'm not confusing you all with survey.
Yeah, I was a survey. I still am. I work in it.
I used to do that a lot.
So we have
So I had to I waited until about 4 hours.
Maybe like about the way I'm starting. Thank you. I always wanted to stop by. So I said,
It's a wet wipe. I do wipe it.
oh, okay. Cool. Yeah, we need this. All right, thank you.
Bro, how do you drink this bitter coffee, bro?
I'm used to it, man. I'm a health nerd, so you know, when you add in sugar in a coffee, it's actually pretty it's not that good for you. So it's actually more beneficial to your health to drink it without any sugar.
I'm not gonna lie. You kind of got me used to it now.
Who?
It really don't taste that bad.
I know it's not. Did Mama get you used to it?
No, I never drink without no sugar like that. Mama, she always drinks sugar with hers.
Oh yeah, that's right.
But
My point is that got it, and you have
It's almond milk.
All right. Well, I have your information. I'm going to send you just this landing page again, just so you have it, and a quick informal email. Because I'm going to do it right here, so it's not going to be fancy. And then we can communicate about. That's one of the things that I want to do is find credit coaches and show them how they can help people. You know, help you can be more useful to the people that you serve by using power and everybody. Yeah. So we have 3 different levels. Our first level is $4.99. The second level, which includes stuff that most of the stuff that everyone would need, is $9.99. And then we have a premium version that has some additional credit protection and stuff like that on it. Nice and but $9.99 a month is it. There's no interest. There's not going to be any more fees on the other side. Yeah, so just want to make it as accessible. Nice to meet you. It is Michael. Yeah.
I didn't see them yesterday.
they weren't here yesterday.
I thought so. That's why I was like, yeah, let's go over here. So happy. I'm actually happy that we did come back in here. That's good.